Kesor Shillong kanong ba jong kejela Meghalaya minta kadang penkre bat ke penpuk penping ye kisurak kelinti kisingkin bat ki kenro de kirong kirup bethamai ban Pdiang ngobha ye ke Jingialang ba jong ki arpau teli kiri ke perthai balajer kerteng G20 group of 20 ke ban salong ha ka khat nyo bat khat pratrik uyayong Kirkot jang ke G20 ki kentup ye kiri Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, South Korea, Russia, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, USA, United Kingdom, European Union, bat ke Turkey. Keri India minta kabat ye kekam Presiden hakani kekenhun jengki arpau teli kiri. Kesorkar Meghalaya kalapan krek sani bha ya kini ke Jingialang ba jeng kiri bakrau ke perthai kenang bakan numi kenu ke jing bat ke jingwet habarok kiliang hakiti ki arsngi. Usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tinsong uloong bakasorkar Meghalaya kalaya krek sani ya ki kam ki jambaro ki bayade bat kini ke Jingialang ba. Kasin Beningkong ba ke International Conference kalalong ha Shillong kadai house nem khat khandai spa prapusan bala pelong ya ke South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation SAARC haying dorbar thau an ke jela ka bala pelu no haba Rajiv Gandhi ulalong Menteri Rangba do. Day hakani ke South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation Conference lathung ya umau nongrim jangka nigrims hapalau ke Assembly nakadau bajurthan uslam. Ya uni umau nongrim lara hadin chamau diang haka jaka bakani ke hospital ke yeng menta. Ke G20 meeting ke Bansalong Shillong kan long ke Jingialang kiri ke Perthai hakasin ke Baa.
We have a review meeting, I should say maybe the last review meeting, relating to the preparation of welcoming the G20, which is to be held on the 17th of this month and 18th. These 2 days G20 meeting. So we already had a detailed meeting with all the concerned departments, and I'm happy to tell you that we are more or less ready for welcoming the G20 meeting, which is scheduled to be held in Meghalaya, in Shillong, on the 15th and 17th of this month. Yeah, this is also one of the area where we discussed today. So instruction has been given to the concerned department and then to the police personnel and to the SP traffic to work out all the details, and instruction has been given very, very clearly from which road this delegate VVIP will come in and which road should they again go back. So all these details I cannot tell you right now, but of course all these areas has been discussed in detail with different departments, with the senior officers.
Will there be?
See this G20, you please go to the website, you will know all the countries, the G20, and then more or less, not less than around 120 delegates will be here in Shillong.
And where the?
Because see, be it for the beautification, repairing of infrastructure, and then be it security, be it transportation. So everything we discuss, all the details, and as I said to you, we are ready now to welcome, and we are ready now to to see that the G20 is held in Shillong successfully.